Hello, this is Idowu Couture and Wears. Welcome back to our channel. If you are a new subscriber, please click the notification button so that you can get notified as soon as we upload new videos. In this series, we are going to be dropping videos on fashion illustration. It will be a back-to-back videos, and we'll break it down to the simplest. You don't need to have any idea of what fashion illustration means, but we'll take it from beginner to advanced. We start from the cookie. There is both 8 and 10 figures. They will go deeper into Adobe Illustrator so that we can get to production. Please follow us, keep looking, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.